Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother DCP-T300 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds, and after that scroll down, and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Brother DCPT-300 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.brother.com official website of the Brother printer. Open the first link. Here we find downloads and here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Official website is open. Here in operating system means OS means operating system. In operating system, select Windows. In operating system version, select Windows 10 64-bit if 64-bit. If Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. I select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the OK. It's redirect you to the another web page. Here we find two options: full software package or drivers. You can download anything. You can download printer driver and scanner drivers for local connection, or full drivers and software package. I download this. Okay, you can also download this also. Okay, I click on this printer driver and scanner driver for local connection. It's redirect me to the another web page. Click on agree to download. Click on that and it's redirect to the another page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Now here we find download. It's completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop, or cut it or copy and paste it. Cut and paste. After that, here we find the our drivers. Okay, and this driver setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Double click on it. Wait for a few seconds and unzip process is started. Click on OK. Unzip process is started. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on it and here we find our drivers, and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on your screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds and close it. Close this. And here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any port named USB, USB 301, USB 302, USB 303, USB 304. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Click on Avadix. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. On desktop, we find newly created folder, newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find many printers. Select our printer, Brother DCPT-300 printer. Select our proper printer. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same name. Give any name and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take less than 1 minute. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Brother DCPT-300 printer, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.